So this is our first fully collaborative robot, CRB 15,000. It's targeted for customers that haven't used robots much before.
Okay.
So it has some ease of use features. One of them is Wizard Easy Programming, which is based on the Google Blockly. So it's more or less drag and drop type of programming. So if you're familiar with Google Blockly, that'll be very easy for programming versus trying to program first in a rapid programming type of environment. So one of the benefits of the Omnicore controller is you're able to make your own interfaces, which is a small web app. So if you're familiar with HTML programming, JavaScript, and CSS, you can create something like this. And what we have right here is an application where you can select what you would want. The robot goes and finds it by vision. They'll go pick the part and then present it to you. And then you can take it